Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing this little tutorial video about like free websites that you can use to make a thumbnail. You don't have any phone that can accommodate apps, extra apps on your phone. You can just like use your laptop, or you can use your desktop or phone on your Google to just like use this website to make your thumbnails, and it's free. Notes guys, these websites that I'm going to be sharing with you are free. So let's get started. So the first website that I know of is AdobeSpark. So you're just gonna go on your Google and search for AdobeSpark free YouTube thumbnail. So it's going to take you there, and then you can just go for the first link that appears there, and then you can go to create your own thumbnail. So it usually gives you an option to select for a size, the size that you want or you need. It's the YouTube thumbnail, because the other ones are for Instagram stories, for Facebook or poster or landscape. But what you need to go for is the one of a YouTube thumbnail, the one that has 1280 times 720 pixel resolution. Click the one you want and then you go for next. So when you are here, you can just choose any photo, or you can just upload one of your photos to use as a thumbnail. So for me, most of the time I like to go with my own photo. I like my thumbnails to be me on them, because sometimes people can steal thumbnails. So what I like is to just put my own photo, because you'd find that like for a certain video, it's not only you who's doing that tutorial, but like there are other people who are doing the same tutorial about that, and then you start to see people with the same thumbnail as yours. So here, what you can do when you already have your text, you can add text, you can have your design for your photo or your thumbnail. You can also have some color, or you can have some shapes, you can have some effects, you can edit your photo and everything. So yeah, I think that's it. And when you are done, there's a download button here to save your picture. The second website for free thumbnails, FotoJet. Yes, so again, you will go on your Google search bar and then you type FotoJet YouTube thumbnail, right? And then it's going to take you to, you choose the one that's written what you're looking for, and then you can get started. It's free. It has like free templates or elements that you can use for your thumbnail. It's same applies with everything. You can add photos, you can even add photos of yourself, that you feel comfortable with adding. You can also have like templates that are already here that you can just like edit on them. But I prefer to add my own pictures. It also has like text that you can use to type on your thumbnails. There are samples that you can use. Yeah, I kind of like the text here. They are like yeah, they have beautiful fonts or text type. Even the background, if you have your picture, you can change the background maybe into a different color. So the last and foremost website is Canva YouTube thumbnails. You're going to type that on your search bar, and then you go for the first one. And then you also do the same thing, start designing a YouTube thumbnail, and then it has some templates that you can use that are free. There's more that are beautiful that you can use. There are tutorial, there's travel, and there's more, guys. There's photography, you know, there's daily routine, get ready with me, food channels, and everything, guys. And also you can add some photos, like since it's corona, if maybe your videos you are talking about like this virus, you can add a picture of like corona. You also have elements. When it comes to elements, you can add any shape that you like, or frames or stickers. Yeah, we also have like coronavirus stickers. We have a doctor here, maybe if you are consulting a doctor. There's more into this. Text, you can add a text for your thumbnails. There's like more beautiful ones with beautiful fonts that you would like to have for your video. Oh, I love this one. It just like sparkles. Even the background, you can change the background. It's either you can have like color, you can have this. There's just more to this. You can have this color. It's up to you, guys. It's up to you. Or you can just make your background to be a color, that's strictly a color instead of a design. Yeah, so that is it, guys, for today, and thank you for tuning in and enjoying this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give it a thumbs down. I would like to have that. And if you have any questions, I'm just available to answer everyone's comments. Please comment down below.